Assalamu alaikum, dear students of second year. Welcome to our channel. As I have uploaded long question and I promised you short questions, and I had promised you that I'm also going to upload the long questions. The most awaited guest paper of chemistry has been arrived. पंजाब कॉलेज के सीनियर मोस्ट प्रोफेसर्स ने बहुत मेहनत के साथ आपके लिए गेस्ट पेपर तैयार किया है. 100% चांसेस हैं कि आपको क्वेश्चंस यहाँ से आएँ. आप जितने भी क्वेश्चंस दैट आई एम गोइंग टू मेक यू मार्क, यू आर सपोज टू लर्न ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. आप सारे क्वेश्चंस याद कर लें, बिकॉज 100% चांसेस हैं कि यही क्वेश्चंस आपके पेपर में आएंगे और इंशाल्लाह ताला आप ज़रूर कामयाब होंगे. So I'm going to start. Keep on marking all the questions that I'm going to discuss. Number 1, what is Mendeleev's periodic table? Discuss improvements in Mendeleev's periodic table. Next, define ionization energy. How does it vary in group and periods of periodic table? How does hydrides, what are hydrides? Classify them on the basis of nature of bonding. Explain only ionic hydride in detail. Next, explain the peculiar behavior of lithium. Give 8 points. Compare the chemical behavior of lithium with magnesium. Explain the peculiar behavior of beryllium. Describe the process of preparation of sodium metal and industrial scale by downcell. What are the advantages of this process? Describe the commercial preparation of sodium hydroxide and diaphragm cell with diagram. Give 4 applications of lime in agriculture and 4 applications in industry. Next, how is potassium permanganate KMnO4 prepared by Staedtler's process and electrolyte oxidation process? Explain the following properties of transition metals in detail. जिसमें है कलर है और pragmatism है. Pragmatism and color. Describe the Bessemer process for the manufacture of steel with the help of diagram. Explain the following terms with the example of each. Ligand and number 2, coordination sphere. Number 3, central metal atom. Number 4, substitutional alloy. Describe the electromechanical theory and explain the corrosion of metals. जी इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल थ्योरी है, आपने एक्सप्लेन करनी है. corrosion of metals है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज ओजोन लेयर and where does it exist? Describe the role of ozone layer and also discuss the effects of its depletion. What is acid rain? Write down its causes and explain how it affects our environment. What is smoke? Explain the pollutants which are main causes of pathochemical smoke and write the conditions required for its formation. Describe briefly how water is purified by the process of aeration and coagulation. What is meant by solid waste magnetism and explain the process of incineration of industrial and municipal waste. What is orbital hybridization? Explain the sp3, sp2 and sp modes of hybridization of carbon with respect of the structures of ethane, ethene and ethine respectively. What is cracking of petroleum? Describe the significance and explain the different types of cracking: thermal, catalytic and steam cracking. What is isomerism? Explain structural isomerism and its various types. In the bracket it's chain, position, functional group, metamerism and taumerism with the suitable example. Discuss geometrical isomerism. Why there is no free rotation in carbon dioxide double bond. Explain the necessary conditions for a compound to exhibit geometrical isomerism, giving 2 examples. Describe aldol condensation with the detailed reaction mechanism. Why does formaldehyde and not undergo this reaction? Give example of aldol condensation using ethanol. How do organic compounds differ from inorganic ones? Discuss in detail at least 6 unique features of organic compounds, such as catenation, isomerism, non-ionic character, etc. Next, explain the general mechanism of nucleophilic addition reaction and carbonyl compound. Discuss how acid and base catalyst facilitate these reactions. Explain the mechanism, the addition of sodium bisulfate to acetone, what is industrial and analytical utility of this reaction. Write a detailed note on the oxidation of ketones and aldehydes. Include use of strong oxidation agents K2Cr2O7, H2SO4, as well as mild ones like toluenes, reagents and phthalate solutions. Next, how do you distinguish between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons chemically? Explain with suitable chemical reaction. Detail the method for the preparation of ethane CH3-CH3 by the decarboxylation of monocarboxylic acid and the Kloebel's electron method, including the mechanism. How do the chemical reactions of ethane with following reagents? Number 1, O2 in the presence of Ag2O. Number 2, cold dilute KMnO4. Number 3, ozone O3 and HOLC. Differentiate between SN1 and SN2 reactions, discussing their mechanism, kinetics and stereochemistry. Define alkyl halide. Give 3 distinct methods for preparing of alkyl halides starting from alcohols. What products are found when ethyl magnesium bromide CH3CH2 MgBr is treated with the following compounds, followed by the hydrochlolysis of formaldehyde and acetaldehyde, acetone, CH3,2CO, and carbon dioxide. What is resonance? Explain the structure of benzene on the basis of resonance and discuss the extraordinary stability. Write down 4 methods of preparation of benzene. Explain the mechanism of nitration. Discuss 2 industrial preparations of ethanol. Describe the dehydration of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols with the help of suitable reactions. What is Lucas test? How will you distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols using the test? Explain the acidic behavior phenol, how it is different from alcohols and how does phenol react with alkali and give a salt. Write down 2 methods of preparing phenol. Detail 2 reactions in which benzene behaves a saturated hydrocarbon and 2 reactions in which it behaves as a unsaturated hydrocarbon. जी, these are the all questions that I have made you marked. मुझे उम्मीद है कि इस वीडियो से आपको बहुत हेल्प होगी, इस वीडियो से आपके लिए तैयारी करना आसान होगा। इंशाल्लाह ताला आपको पहले भी बताया है कि 100% मार्क्स, 100% चांसेस हैं कि आपके क्वेश्चंस इन्हीं क्वेश्चंस में से बने, तो प्लीज़ आप इन्हीं क्वेश्चंस की तैयारी कीजिएगा एंड स्टे ट्यून फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड आई एम गोइंग टू कीप डिस्कसिंग द इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट पेपर। जितनी अहम मालूमात मैं आपको देती रहूँगी। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और स्टे ट्यून फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन। बाय।